Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete all Facebook photos at once. Okay, let's start the video. First open your Facebook app. Now click on profile icon. Click on three dot icon. Now click on activity lock. Click on your Facebook activity. Click on manage post. Click on filters. Now click on categories. Click on your post, photos and videos. Now select all option or one by one photos or post. Now click on trash and finally click on move to trash. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.